You 不回来，这里烟在一直在起了。
You wanna drive? Yeah, that's cool. Nice car, Smoke. You know me. It's not cut. Keep the value in it. Keep it real.
Ballers! Drive by! Incoming!
Oh, motherfucker, my car!
We gotta get back to the hood, man. It's too crazy around here. Grab a bike and pedal. Either you ain't forgotten that. Follow my lead.
Shopping really helps my self-esteem.
Takes you back some, huh, CJ? Yeah.
Things has changed around here.
CJ, watch your back around here, man.
I get so bad. I thought this was family's turf.
Yeah, it's Temple Drive family. We don't roll with them no more. Move it, CJ, move it. Shit, a baller's car. Split up. Keep moving, motherfucker. You just a liability, CJ. Why you bother coming back?
Straight back into the game, right, dog?
That was freaking start tripping.
Was it this bad before you left? East Coast got you all thinned out, home.
I just want to
Ayun.
That hot mama over there, boy. I should have bumped your ass, punk. Move it, CJ. You embarrassing us, nigga. I got with them motherfuckers, though. Showed them niggas who's gangster. Rider, nigga. So when you leaving, Carl?
I ain't sure. Thought I might stay. Things is fucked up.
Well, the last thing we need is your help.
Ah, man, I won't let you down. I swear.
Hey, we gonna call some hood rats and chill the hell out. You want some?
I got a whole lot going on. I'm tired. I'll catch y'all later. Hey, yo, just drop in. We all hanging out.